Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mile High and River. Today it's just me solo. I left River at home today. We're fishing at a lake that I can't take him to, so left him home. We're out trying to catch some largemouth and some smallmouth today. So far, just got on the board, didn't have the GoPro on me. I ran back to get the camera now. So far on the board with one, and let's see what else we can do today. What I'm fishing here is the old float and fly kind of method, but instead of a fly, I'm actually using a Pautzke baits, a little Ned rig type bait. Kind of looks like a trout magnet, but a little bit bigger. The plastic is very elastic, so it lasts a while, so that's pretty nice. So far I've caught one on black and green. So you can see we have some trout jumping around now. So it's getting active. Let's see what else we can do. Stay tuned.
I'll try that for a minute.
Okay. All right. First smallmouth of the year. Sweet. And we're doing the float and fly technique. See you, bud. Heck yeah, right on.
You want a beer?
Sure. I think I deserve it now. I earned it. Yeah, my hands got cold yesterday, I think because of putting it in the water, so that's why I brought the towel today. Yeah, when my hands are wet, like if I'm fly fishing and my hands are wet, that's when it's miserable. Oh, hello. What happened? Oh. Oh, hello. Sorry. Oh, I'm good. One's plenty. Thank you. I'm good. I love when I say that and then it's like
8 more?
well, I like when I do it and then I get one. That's when it's cool. Oh, there we go. That is funny, dude. Dude, that's a bigger one. Sure. Yeah. Dang, dude, that thing took it quick. That's a big one. Holy shit, dude.
Oh, that's a magnet?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Oh, dang. That thing has power.
See the bobber.
That thing just shut down. Oh, man. All right. Once he sees you, he's gonna... Oh, it's a largemouth. I think so, yeah. He's giving me a good fight. Oh, yeah. Come on. Stay pinned. Stay pinned.
Yeah, that's a largemouth. That's a good one.
Man, they're pretty here. They have like good markings. Look at the markings on that thing. Nice. Dude, that thing's a tank. That is a fatty. Holy
It is
smokes.
She's pregnant?
Yep, that's a female right there. Right
Nice
on.
fish. Well, this technique definitely fucking works.
Cool, right on. Let's show it off for the camera. Got this nice big girl here. Let's see here.
Cool, that's a nice fish.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the assist.
Yeah, I figured why not, right? Like,
Hell yeah. See you, girl. Woo! That was awesome. Oh man, this is why you come out when it's snowing like this, because the fish are still going to be biting. They're still hungry. Oh, let's see here. That was my last cast. I'm gonna end it on that last cast. But you keep fishing, cause you never know. I just left it and I looked over. I was talking to you. I looked over and that thing was gone.
I love it. And then I get one.
What a way to end the session. Ugh. It is getting bad.